Hello, my name's Matt Dietz, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the online tool Twiddla. A couple benefits to Twiddla are A, that it's free. There are some limitations with that I'll talk about in a few minutes. But it is a free whiteboard conferencing tool. It is quite simple to use, really no setup, user-friendly, and has both chat and audio features. To get started, all that we simply need to do is go to start a new whiteboard. There is no logging in, no creating an account, and you simply are given this site. Over here you can see a very unique number. All that I need to do is invite others or share this link with them, and we can have our own meeting. The free version is limited to 10 people. I highlighted this guest up here, and I'm going to change that to my name and simply create my own account, make it a little more personable. And here is the chat feature. And I would be able to communicate with others in my group. Certainly there is an audio, but that simply won't do us any good with me being the only one involved with it. Now, as an interactive whiteboard, you can see it has all the tools that you're familiar with. You certainly can do shapes, erasing, drawing, just simple lines. You can have control over the size of the lines and certainly the colors. We can enter different documents. I'll show you an image for a project that I've considered doing that you can bring in. I simply browse for my image. In this case, it's the campus of my school. Now it will clear it as it brings it in, but as you can see, now I have a Google Map image of my school and that I will use in an upcoming assignment. As you can see here, this is the cost for it if you choose to upgrade from the free version. The free version that I'm using right now will handle 10 additional people, or 10 total people, excuse me, as well as is limited to 20 minutes. The others that you find are give you a number of features, but primarily that it's unlimited with the number of people to be involved. There is a 3-pack for teachers up here, looking at $20 a month. If you choose to upgrade to the Pro, which would eliminate some of the limitations that are found with the free version. I believe some of the collaborative features that this provides is allowing a group of students not in a situation where they are geographically located together but are separated, and will allow them to take a document, a visual document or a written document, and mark it up as they would see fit. You can do the same thing with you can bring a web page in, and there are some other features, as you can see here at the bottom, where you can bring in some formulas if you were to be using it for math purposes, physics, chemistry. The symbols are all available. Personally, what I have shown here on the screen is something I am currently doing with my students, not using Twiddla, but can see a great opportunity with it, where we're designing a disc golf course for the school. And I teach a lot of design and drafting courses, and I just see an opportunity for to simulate real-world situations where one person may be in the office creating, drawing, and one person might be off-site taking measurements, as well as visual assessments, readings. In my current case, students do meet up face-to-face, but this could be a similar assignment where 2 students are never actually in the same spot at the same time and collaborate on assignments as such as what I'm showing. I myself could be involved with that, which would support the social presence, where we could collaborate together in the design work of, in this case, a disc golf course. Because this cannot be recorded, it lends itself to the synchronous environment where we would be at least together time-wise. But again, just a nice, easy, simple tool to accomplish something that may be difficult otherwise, or in not a real-time mode. So I hope you enjoy it. Try it out.